Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you three methods how to become Assistant Commissioner in Pakistan. The first way is to apply for CSS. Government of Pakistan announce Civil Superior Services examination each year in the month of October and conduct a written examination in the month of February, which consists of 12 papers. There are 6 compulsory papers in CSS which are required to pass at 40%, while the remaining 6 papers are optional, which candidates select from a very wide list of subjects. These optional subjects are passed on 33%, while a candidate is considered passed by securing 50% marks in aggregate. Candidate acquiring 600 out of 1200 marks is considered passed in the CSS exam. After passing written part, there is viva voce. This interview has 300 marks and the passing marks in the interview is 101. After passing interview, there is a final merit list, and after passing CSS, officers are allocated in 12 various groups in the Pakistan. Generally, the top candidate are allocated in Pakistan Administrative Services as Assistant Commissioner. The second way to become Assistant Commissioner is to sit in Provisional Management Services exam, which called PMS in Punjab and KP, while it is called PCS in Sindh and Balochistan. PMS and PCS also consist of 1200 marks written examination, while the passing procedure is same just like CSS, but in this exam you have to compete just on your provincial level. It is little bit easier than CSS. After passing PMS exam, candidates are allocated as Assistant Commissioner in Pakistan. The third way to become Assistant Commissioner in Pakistan is to apply for Tehsildar examination. Tehsildar posts are also announced by the concerned province. The examination for Tehsildar is much easier than PMS and PCS. A candidate is comparatively easily can be selected as Tehsildar. Tehsildar examination consists of 5 papers only, which consist English, Urdu, Pakistan study, Islamic study, and general science. After passing written examination, there is an interview, and after interview there is a merit. Top merit candidates are selected as Tehsildar. So these Tehsildar are further promoted to Assistant Commissioner after 5 to 10 years. So this is the third way to become Assistant Commissioner in Pakistan, which is a lengthy but an easy way comparatively to the CSS and PMS. So guys, it was the end of the lecture. Please like this video, and for such type of more valuable and informative videos, subscribe my channel.